So boom gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Uta_beef. So boom, before I get into it, I gotta say a big shout out and a big thank you to Jim at Crawley Surplus Store. And another big shout out and thank you to Daniel at Crawley Surplus Store. You lot should have seen the Ergonomics Ixia review by now, but when I went and dropped that back, they gave me another rifle. So yeah, big thank you to Jim, big thank you to Daniel, shout out Crawley Surplus Store. So let's get into this.
Obo, abuse that shit, then pass it to Cuzzo. We just circled your block, that's forecast deep in the C2 barrel. And I've lost the plot, numerous times my blade got cuddled.
So boom, gang, this is another rifle that Crawley Surplus Store are selling. This one's a new rifle. This one's fresh new, like even in the box. The Ergonomics was second hand. This is brand new. Let me show you the box. You get me? Decent. Don't come with a hard case or nothing, but yeah, let's go in the box now. So boom. So gang, let me show you how this rifle comes in the box now, yeah? So boom, when you open it up, you've got your user's manual. I've read through this, you get me? So I know a couple things. User manual, and you've got a little cushion to protect the rifle. It's decent. Alright, let me turn this around quickly. So in the box comes the rifle and another little box, just like this. So boom, let's get into it. Alright, in the box comes this little box, and this little box is full of goodies. So yeah, let's run through this now. So boom, first thing, you get all your Allen keys as normal. Got about 5 in here, you normally get 2. So yeah, Allen keys. You get some O-rings as well, just in case any of them blow or whatnot. Got more O-rings. These little metal circle things, I don't know what they are, but yeah, they're in there too. So boom, let's get to the fun part now. Also in the box, you get your probe, your fill probe. It's got 2 O-rings in there just in case these ones mess up or burst or whatnot. Alright then, you got a single shot loader. I'll give you a close up. You got a single shot loader there, and it comes in the bag as well. You got 2 12-shot magazines. I won't be using these in the videos, cause these are in this video, cause these are brand new and I don't wanna scratch them or mark them or anything. I ain't even using the single shot loader. You're gonna see when we get to the shooting part, but yeah, 2 12-shot magazines. Alright, and this bit is sick. This is an adapter, because in this box comes a silencer. This is neat. You got a little silencer that comes with it, with the EFFECTO branding on it. Like I said, I'm not using this. You're gonna see what I used when you watch the shooting part, but yeah, I didn't want to mess this up or leave any shards or any lead bits in it, so I'm not using this. But yeah, you get the silencer adapter and you get the silencer. That's decent. So boom, let me put this all back into the box. And we're gonna go to the rifle now. Alright, so boom, let's get this rifle out of the box now. Alright, So boom, gang. This is the PX5 in 177 UK sub 12 version. Gang, I'm gonna say it now. This rifle is a beast. Trust me, like I've been shooting it in the garden. I've had it for a week basically. I've been shooting it in the garden, same hole. At the range, I was shooting it earlier to do the groups. This rifle is a beast, so yeah. Let me get into it quickly. Let me start with the back. So boom, we got a adjustable butt piece. You need an Allen key though. Push the Allen key in there. It can go up and down. I'm not sure if it can go if it tilts so it can fit shoulder properly, but it goes up and down. This little knob here, I don't know what this is for. Car in the manual, when you look in the manual, it's a different rifle. The stock's different. This one's got some ergonomics, like the finger grooves and everything. The one on the manual looks like a S510. You get me? So I don't know what this is for. You got the cheek piece that raises, need an Allen key. 2 different Allen keys. This one takes like a 3mm, I think. This one takes like a 2mm, I think. Don't hold me to that. Underneath, you got a rail. I think that's for a bag rider or something, if you're gonna put that under there. Also, you got one of these just in case you wanna put, if you're out hunting. Let's move on to the stock quickly, car gang. This is blue laminate. I don't know, but it is pretty. I think it's super pretty. Smooth as well, feels nice. Super nice. With the blue and silver, this gun is decent. This rifle is decent. So boom, let's go into the grip. See, you got some ergonomics in the grip, and it's stippled as well for more grip. So yeah, if your hands are wet or you're sweating, you still got your good grip on it. You get me? Alright, let's move to the trigger. You got a 2-stage adjustable trigger. In front of the trigger, you got your safety here. Give you a close up on that. So boom, cocking lever. This is cocking. I said safety in it under here. Cocking lever. This one's crazy as well. See how it's down now? You can shoot. The rifle's empty. You can shoot. Ooh. No, you can't. It's on safety. You can shoot. If you flick this up, that's the secondary safety. Can't shoot nothing. Put it down, shoots again. So you got 2 safeties on this rifle. One in front of the trigger, and your cocking handles are, your cocking bolt is a safety once it's flicked up as well. Alright, and let's move to the top of the rifle. You got a dovetail rail here. This is what you're gonna see. EFFECTO PX5 177 cal. Moving to the front, you got the shroud that covers the barrel. I haven't taken off the shroud because it's got a little band that holds the barrel straight so it don't do no flexing or nothing. So I ain't playing with that, so I've left that on. Let's move down to the air tank. What is it? You got a 240 bar air tank underneath here. With the fill part here, just spin it, put your probe in, you're good to go. And it's shrouded as well. At the front, you got another rail. This can be for your bipod, could be for your torch or anything. One more thing, if you look in there properly, these have got grub screws in them. So you can use your Allen key, loosen them, and you can pull them out by sliding them down to here, and they just come out. So like this. If you don't want this on there, just slide it out, put back in the rail, just like with the back. You can unscrew it, take it out. So boom, let me go into the front bit now. This is another crazy part, cause when I was with Jim in the store, I was trying to take off the front bit to see if it had a UNF part, but it won't come off. And then I started twisting, I realized the whole front bit come off, you get me? When Jim looked in the box, that's when he saw the adapter. So yeah, this whole front bit comes out, the adapter goes in, silencer on the front. I think that's decent, to tell the truth. Get your own adapter and silencer as well. So yeah, the barrel, this is why it's a beast, because the barrel's a 580mm barrel. I'm used to 500mm, you get me, or 50 centimeters, but this one's 580, so that's why I think it's a beast at the 50 yards. Is there anything else we need to get onto? Pressure gauge. Pressure gauge is on the front here. I don't like it on the front because obviously when you're looking at it, you got to look through the barrel and everything, but yeah. There's just under 100 on that right now. Is there anything else we need to talk about? One more thing. I've chronoed this rifle. It shoots between 10.9 and 11.2 consistently with the 10.34 grains. JSD heavies. But yeah. Let's get to shooting. So boom, gang. Time to do some shooting. Like that. Alright, I've tested out the pellets with the 10.34s, 8.44s, and the QYSs. The 10.34s group nicely at 50, so I'm gonna keep using them. So boom, I've zeroed the rifle to 50 yards. I'm gonna keep it on that 0, so I'm gonna shoot 30, 40, and 50 with the 50 yard 0. So we're not looking to hit the dot, we just wanna see the group. So yeah, 10.34s. Let's do this. Alright, so boom, gang. Camera's down at 30 yards, 5 shots at the dot. Remember, this is a new rifle. The 2 magazines and the single shot loader's in there, but I'm not gonna be using it because I don't wanna scratch it or nothing. Someone might end up buying that rifle, innit? This bit here is big enough to fit your finger in there, so yeah, I'm gonna be using that, so 30 yards quickly. Boom, gang, that's 30 yards. I'm gonna move it out to 40 now. Alright, so boom, gang, 40 yards now. Boom, gang, that's 5 at 40 yards. 50 yard time now. So boom, gang, it's that time, 50 yards. Remember, 0 to 50 yards, so I should hit the dot. But we'll see. 50 yards, gang. That one just flew to the right. I was trying to keep that tight, you know. This rifle's a beast. It's a beast. But boom, gang, 50 yards. Oh, PX5. Boy. So boom, gang. Let me show you the groups now quickly. Got my trusty 5p P's here. So boom, let's get into it. 30 yards, 5 shots. Light work. Remember it was 0'd at 50. So yeah, I didn't do no hold under or holdovers or nothing. I just aimed for the dot. And yeah, hit up there, so 30, 5 shots under the 5p. Let's move to the 40 quickly. Alright, 40 yards, 5p again. So we're just out on the edge there. But I'm saying 5. So yeah, at 40 yards, 5 shots under the 5p. Alright, big 50 yards now. Remember I zeroed at 250, so it was gonna get close to the dot, but 5p again. This rifle is a laser. So yeah, I'm done. Going home to chill now. Alright, so boom, gang. Some of you that will know, I'm in Essex. I gotta make it back to South London. It's bloody dark, it's bloody cold. So I'm going. So boom, gang. Like I said before, big thank you to Daniel. Big thank you to Jim. Shout out Crawley Surplus Store. If you haven't been down there, what are you waiting for? Go down there, check out the atmosphere and everything. Like, you lot's heard I bring 2 of my friends in. They've been going to the store without me. They're into it now, you get me? So yeah, you lot go check out Crawley Surplus Store. You can check out the rifles like this EFFECTO PX5, you get me? Not just the normal FX impacts and day states. The cheaper rifles, they do great. As I've proved with my P15, you get me? So you lot make sure you go down to Crawley Surplus Store, check it out, man. Bring the kids, bring whoever, like, it's that type of environment, you get me? So boom, gang, I'm done, I'm getting out of here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Uta_beefs. Daniel, Jim, I need some more rifles, please. I'm gone.
Gang. In every gang, there is a man that'll bring that violence. He don't post, he don't snap, he just moves real quiet. In every gang.